Hi guys, welcome to Nursing Arena. Myself Lakshmi, and now we were going to discuss exam paper of Banaras Hindu University 2018. So let's start. The first question is nasal cannula is used for oxygen administration, clearance of secretions, feeding milk, both A and B. And here the correct answer is option A, oxygen administration. Nasal cannula is device used to give oxygen to the patient with low flow rate 1 to 6 liter per minute. This device consists of a lightweight tube and which on one end have two prongs which are placed in the nostril. Next question. Normally intercostal drainage tube is kept for how many days? 1 to 2, 3 to 5, 5 to 10 and 10 to 15. And here the correct answer is option B, 3 to 5 days. An intercostal drainage, chest drainage, in which a flexible plastic tube that is inserted through the chest wall into the pleural space and used to drain blood, fluid and air from thoracic space. Phototherapy is used for the treatment of cyanosis, jaundice, diarrhea and eczema. And here the correct answer is option B, jaundice. Jaundice is a medical condition with yellowing of the skin with excess of pigment bilirubin level caused by obstruction of bile duct and excessive RBC production. Phototherapy is type of medical treatment are used to treat jaundice that involve exposure of fluorescent light bulb. A client develop a temperature of 102 degree Fahrenheit and 38.8 degrees Celsius following an open heart surgery. The nurse notify the physician because elevated temperature indicate an increase in the cardiac output, cerebral edema, a forerunner of hemorrhage, possible diaphoresis and chilling. And here the correct answer is option A. An increase in the cardiac output. Because increased body temperature following an open heart surgery, it indicate increased cardiac output. You are caring for a neonate who has cleft palate. You should inform the mother that surgical correction will be done when the infant is 8 to 12 months of age, 20 to 24 months of age, 16 to 20 months of age and 12 to 16 months of age. And here the correct answer is option A, 8 to 12 months of age. Cleft palate is an opening in the roof of mouth that occur when tissue doesn't fuse together during development in the womb, and it should be repaired at 8 to 12 months of age. Diuretic are given at what time? Morning, noon, evening and night. And the correct answer is option A, morning. Diuretic produce more urine than normal. So this type of drug given in the early morning. This may help to avoid get up in the night, go to toilet. Mattress used for patient care should be thick and hard, thin and soft, thick and firm, and thin and elastic. And the correct answer is option C. Thick and firm mattresses should be used for patient care. Body part to be pressed after intramuscular injection with which substance? Dry cotton swab, wet cotton swab, split cotton swab, and Providone iodine cotton swab. And here the correct answer is option A, dry cotton swab. Dry cotton swab are used to press after intramuscular injection site. Subcutaneous injection is given at which angle? 15 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, and 90 degree. And the correct answer is option C, 45 degree angle. The IM injection should be given at 90 degree angle, and subcutaneous injection should be given at 45 degree angle, and IV injection should be given at 25 degree angle, and intradermal injection should be given at 10 to 15 degree angle, which is incorrectly matched in the relation to temperature of solution. Cleaning purpose 104 degree Fahrenheit, thermal effect 110 or 110 to 115 degree Fahrenheit, reducing temperature 80 to 90 degree Fahrenheit, and gastric lavage is 70 to 80 degree Fahrenheit. And the correct answer is option D, gastric lavage 70 to 80 degree Fahrenheit. Preoperative preparation of skin is done by application of which substance? Hydrogen peroxide, mupirocin, 2% glutaraldehyde, and 70% alcohol. And here the correct answer is option D, 70% alcohol and spirit are most effective disinfectant are used to clean the preoperative site. Temperature of water for sitz bath is 30 to 34 degrees Celsius, 37 to 39 degrees Celsius, 43 to 46 degrees Celsius, and 48 degrees Celsius. And here the correct answer is option C, 43 to 46 degrees Celsius. Sitz bath is a type of therapy done by sitting in warm water. It's help to reduce pain, itching, swelling, and other symptoms in genital area and anus. ICD-10 classification is used in Central Sterile Supply Department, Operation Theatre, Medical Record Department, and Blood Bank. And here the correct answer is option C. ICD-10 is an international classification of disease. 10 is given by WHO and it's used in Medical Record Department. Which substance is used in fumigation? Potassium permanganate, hydrogen peroxide, blanching powder, Providone iodine. And here the correct answer is option A, potassium permanganate. Fumigation is a process of gaseous sterilization which is used for killing of microorganisms and prevention of microbial growth in the air and surface of floor. Human anatomical organs are kept in which colored container in biomedical disposal? Red, yellow, white and blue. And here correct answer is option B, yellow. Human anatomical waste, for example placenta, should be discarded in yellow colored container. Sodium fluoride vial is used for measurement of which substance in blood? Glucose, urea, HbA1c and hematocrit. The correct option is option A, glucose. Sodium fluoride vial is used in laboratory for the measurement of glucose. Enema is given in which position of patient? Supine, prone, right lateral and left lateral. And the correct answer is option D. Enema is given in left lateral position. Which drug is given through nebulization as well as intravenous route? Salbutamol, budesonide, 3% NaCl and hydrocortisone. The correct answer is option C, 3% NaCl. Which fluid is given in hypovolemic shock? 5% dextrose, 0.9% NaCl, 5% dextrose NaCl and 10% dextrose. And here the correct answer is option B, 0.9% NaCl. Hypovolemic shock is an emergency condition in which severe blood or other fluid loss make the heart unable to pump enough blood to the body. 0.9% NaCl is a isotonic solution. It's help to replace the lost body fluid. Choose the correct matching. TPs, airway adjunt, Macintosh, CO2 detector, kidney tray, blood storage and pulse oximeter recording of pulse rate. And here the correct answer is option D, pulse oximeter recording of pulse rate. Which gauge diameter of needle is used for intradermal injection? 21, 23, 24 and 26. And here the correct answer is option D, 26 gauge diameter of needle is used for intradermal injection. Vitamin K injection in newborn is given at which site? Right deltoid, left deltoid, mid thigh and buttocks. And here the correct answer is option C. Vitamin K injection is mainly given in mid thigh or vastus lateralis muscle. Pneumatic bed is used for prevention of tongue injury, bed sore, muscular contracture and food abscess. And here the correct answer is option B, bed sore. Pneumatic bed and air mattressed bed are most commonly used for patient and bedridden patient. बेडरिडन पेशेंट जो होते हैं कंटिन्यूस उनको बेड पे सोने की वजह से उनकी स्किन पर घाव बन जाते हैं, जिसे कि बेडसोर कहते हैं। और इन्हीं बेडसोर को प्रिवेंट करने के लिए हम न्यूमेटिक बेड या एयर मैट्रेसेस बेड का यूज़ करते हैं ताकि उनको बेडसोर से प्रिवेंट करा सके। द डिफरेंस बिटवीन rectal and oral temperature is by 1 degree Fahrenheit, 2 degree Fahrenheit, 0.5 degree Fahrenheit and 1 degree Celsius. And here the correct answer is option A, 1 degree Fahrenheit. The difference between rectal and oral temperature is 1 degree Fahrenheit. The landmark for measuring the length of nasogastric tube is nose to epigastrium, tragus to epigastrium, nose, tragus, epigastrium and mammary line to epigastrium. And here the correct answer is option C, nose टू ट्रेगस टू एपिगेस्ट्रियम। एनजी ट्यूब को इंसर्ट करने से पहले उसका मेजरमेंट किया जाता है, तो इसके लिए पहले उसको ईयर लोब से नोज तक मेजर करते हैं और फिर नोज से एपिगेस्ट्रिक तक उसका मेजरमेंट करते हैं, और जितना भी मेजरमेंट आता है उतना ही पेशेंट के अंदर एनजी ट्यूब को इंसर्ट करना है। एन एक्यूरेट ब्लड प्रेशर ऑफ अ क्लाइंट कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड बाय अ कर्व दैट कवर द अपर 1/3 of the client arm, positioning the curve approximately 4 inches above the antecubital space. Use of curve that is wide enough to cover 2/3 of the client arm. Identify the correct cuff sound and take systolic reading at 10 mm of Hg after the force sound. And here the correct answer is option C, use of curve that is wide enough to cover 2/3 of the client arm, और इस तरह से अपन एक्यूरेट बीपी उसका ऑब्टेन कर सकते हैं। एक्सक्लूसिव ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग इज गिवन अप टू 4 month, 6 month, 9 month and 12 month. And here the correct answer is option B, the exclusive breastfeeding is given up to 6 months. The most common cause of spontaneous abortion is physical trauma, unresolved stress, congenital defect, and germplasm defect. And here the correct answer is option D. Germplasm defect is the most common cause of spontaneous abortion. When a nurse sees a baby in respiratory distress from apparent mucus, the first nursing action is to carefully slap the infant back, thumb the chest and start cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Pick up the baby up by the feet, call the cord team. And here the correct answer is option C, pick the baby up by the feet. When performing a colostomy irrigation, the nurse insert the catheter into the stoma up to 5 cm or 2 inches, 10 cm or 4 inches, 15 cm or 6 inches, 20 cm or 8 inches. And here the correct answer is option B. During colostomy irrigation, the nurse insert the catheter into the stoma up to 10 cm and 4 inches. While administering an enema, the maximum safe height at which the container fluid can be held is 30 cm, 12 inch, 32.5 cm, 45 cm and 66 centimeter. And here the correct answer is option C, 45 centimeter. जब भी पेशेंट को एनीमा दिया जाता है तो एनीमा कैन को 45 सेंटीमीटर की हाइट पे रखना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Infection from retention catheter can best be prevented by cleansing the perineum, encouraging adequate fluid, irrigating the catheter once daily, and cleansing around the meatus periodically. कैथेटर वाले पेशेंट को यूटीआई इन्फेक्शन से बचाने के लिए कैथेटर केयर दिया जाता है, तो इसलिए यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा अपना ऑप्शन डी, क्लिनजिंग अराउंड द meatus periodically. Radiation therapy for the cancer of the prostate may cause bladder irritability. Sign of this complication would probably be dysuria, polyuria, dribbling, and hematuria. And here the correct answer is option A, dysuria. प्रोस्टेट कैंसर वाला पेशेंट अगर रेडिएशन थेरेपी ले रहा है तो उसके अंदर जो है डिस्यूरिया देखने को मिलेगा. डिस्यूरिया मीन्स पेनफुल यूरिनेशन. Soon after the admission of a client to the hospital with head injury, the temperature rises to 102.2 degree Fahrenheit and 39 degrees Celsius. The suggest injury to the pallidum, thalamus, temporal lobe, and hypothalamus. And here the correct answer is option D, hypothalamus. क्योंकि हाइपोथैलेमस जो है वो थर्मोरेगुलेशन सेंटर है, तो हाइपोथैलेमस में कोई भी इंजरी होने की वजह से जो बॉडी का टेम्परेचर है उसके अंदर वेरिएशंस आ जाते हैं. डायबिटीज़ insipidus is a deficiency of which hormone? Arterial natriuretic peptidase, vasopressin, aldosterone, and insulin. And here the correct answer is option B. Diabetic insipidus is caused by deficiency of vasopressin hormone. Next question. Agency which has been supported the National Tuberculosis Control Program of India is IRCS, SIDA, DANIDA, and UNICEF. So here the correct answer is option C, Danish International Development Agency. Which of the following is not a primary prevention? Pulse polio immunization, vitamin A supplementation, breast self-examination for tumor, and isoniazid to a baby breastfed by sputum positive tubercular mother. And here the correct answer is option C. Breast self-examination for tumor is not a primary prevention. Breast self-examination is the screening test for cancer. The coronary care unit nurse draw an arterial blood sample to assess a client for acidosis. A normal pH of arterial blood is 7, 7.42, 7.32, 7.50. And here the correct answer is option B, 7.42 is the normal pH of arterial blood. Following surgery for repair of inguinal hernia, the nurse established a post-operative fluid intake goal for the client. The most appropriate amount will be 500 to 700 ml per day, 1000 to 1500 ml per day, 2000 to 3000 ml per day, and 3000 to 3500 ml per day. And here the correct answer is option C, 2000 to 3000 ml per day. Doses of vitamin A solution: 2 Lake International Unit, 2 Lake 30,000 International Unit, 5 Lake International Unit, and 1 Lake 50,000 International Unit. And the correct answer is option A. Doses of vitamin A is 2 Lake International Unit. Owl's teeth should be placed in normal saline, cold water, milk, and warm water. Dental avulsion and owl's teeth is the complete displacement of the tooth from its socket. So the owl's teeth should be placed in milk. So here the correct answer is option C. Next, how many bones make up a newborn skull? 8, 4, 6, and 5. And here the correct answer is option D, 5. The skull of newborn consists of 5 bones, 2 frontal, 2 parietal, and 1 occipital. Next question. A loose cuff of BP instrument give accurate reading, falsely higher reading, falsely lower reading BP, and no effect on reading. And here the correct answer is option B, falsely higher reading. Indian Nursing Council was started in the year 1848, 1950, 1923, and 1947. And here the correct answer is option D. The Indian Nursing Council was established in 1947 and the headquarters of Indian Nursing Council in New Delhi. A clinical situation in which the increased release of erythropoietin will be expected is hypoxemia, hypotension, hyperkalemia, and fluid overload. And here the correct answer is option A, hypoxemia. Hypoxemia means lack of oxygen in blood. तो हाइपोक्सीमिया की कंडीशन होने पर किडनी से एरिथ्रोपोइटिन हार्मोन रिलीज होता है और ये हार्मोन्स आरबीसी प्रोडक्शन को बढ़ा देता है जिससे ऑक्सीजन की डिमांड फुलफिल हो जाती है. A priority nursing intervention for the care of a terminally ill patient diagnosed with metastatic cancer is maintaining bowel function, alleviating and relieving pain, preventing respiratory arrest, managing chemotherapy. And here the correct answer is option B, alleviating and relieving pain is the priority care for the patient diagnosed with metastatic cancer. A client with COPD has secondary polycythemia. The nursing diagnosis that would be included in the care plan is fluid volume deficit related to blood loss, impaired tissue perfusion related to thrombosis, activity intolerance related to dyspnea, and risk for infection related to suppressed immune response. And here the correct answer is option B, impaired tissue perfusion related to thrombosis. Is nursing diagnosis for the patient with COPD with secondary polycythemia. A blood transfusion should be started at how many macro drops per minute and for how long time? 25 to 50 drops for 15 minutes, 20 drops for 10 minutes, 25 to 50 drop for 15 minutes, and 120 drop for 15 minutes. And here a blood transfusion should be started at 25 to 50 drop for 15 minutes. So correct answer is option C. Next question. When administering an IM injection to an infant, the nurse should use which side? Deltoid, dorsal gluteal, ventrogluteal, and vastus lateralis. So here the correct answer is option D. Vastus lateralis is the most common site are used for the IM injection in infant. Janani Suraksha Yojana has been started as under CSSM, NRHM, MCH and ICDS. So here the correct answer is option B. Janani Suraksha Yojana has been started as under NRHM, National Rural Health Mission. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please share my videos and subscribe our channel.